In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a Google Ads account. Whether you're closing a business, shifting your marketing strategy, or just need a break, canceling your Google Ads account is a straightforward process. First, we'll start by navigating to the Google Ads overview page. This is the main dashboard where you'll find an overview of your campaigns, performance metrics, billing information, and more. So open your browser and go to the Google Ads overview page and sign in with your credentials if you're not already logged in. Now that we're on the overview page, I want you to take your mouse and hover over the navigation menu on the left hand side of the screen. You'll see various options like campaigns, keywords, and reports. For this task, we're focusing on something a bit more administrative, so find and hover over the admin section. Doing this will display a drop-down menu, revealing additional settings and account management options. Once you're in the admin section, look for the option labeled account settings and click on it. It's worth mentioning that this section is vital because it contains the core settings for managing your account, including billing information, user access, and more. It's a good habit to familiarize yourself with what each section covers, since it helps in managing your Google Ads account efficiently. After selecting account settings, navigate down to find account status. Clicking on account status will take us to a new page where crucial details about your account status are displayed. Here you can quickly review the current status of your account and make any necessary changes. Now comes the pivotal step. In the account status section, you'll notice an option that usually says reactivate my account. Since we're aiming to cancel the account today, this option should instead say cancel my account. Clicking on this will initiate the cancellation process, so before doing so, make sure you have completed any final checks, such as downloading important data or reviewing outstanding balances. And there you have it, you've successfully navigated the process to cancel your Google Ads account. Remember, once you click cancel, your account will be set to cancel and you won't be able to run new campaigns or access account features. If your business circumstances change, you can always reactivate the account later on by following a similar process. That concludes our tutorial on how to cancel your Google Ads account. If you found this walkthrough helpful, be sure to like the video, and if you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.